guys. So today I'm here to share what I have experienced in my first year of college. Number 1, opportunity. Make sure that you run behind the opportunity because opportunity will never find you. You are the one who has to find for it, who has to run behind it, and trust me guys, nobody really cares to ask you whether you're good at this, you're good at that. Can you just come and show off your talents? No, my heart, you're the one who has to get out of your shoes, get up on the stage and show your best talent that you have. Make sure of the opportunities that you get because once you get the opportunity will never be the same. Number 2, trust. So when you're into your first year of college, you easily get to trust people. So that is the mistake that I have made, and I don't want you to make that mistake. Just remember that not everybody is your best friend. Normalize saying your classmates as classmates and not best friends, because not everybody deserves to be your best friend. You might think that this person is really good because in the first year, in the starting, everybody feels to be the good person. But day by day, my heart, you just come to know that person was not what he or she was pretending to be. They were just pretending to be nice. There's a small tip. What you can do is you can pretend that you trust them while you actually don't, because we don't know when they'll show their true colors, and when you commit mistakes you learn from them, so it's fine. Number 3, enjoyment in work. So make sure that you find happiness and enjoyment in your workplace rather than always hanging out with friends, because always hanging out with friends will not really help you. So I'm not saying that don't have fun with your friends, but more than having fun with friends or doing all those enjoyment stuffs, it's also really important to do something productive, right? Number 4, find for your true identity. When I was in my first year, there were times when I used to feel like, am I really capable of doing this course, or should I really skip to any other course because I'm not having the fun, I'm not enjoying what I have took. So I had those times when I used to overthink, I used to have a lot of confusions, and that's why it's really important for you to make sure that wherever you are happy with what you have. And in the journey of life, it is always really important to find your true identity, where you truly belong and what you truly want. So these are the things which you should focus on, because it's you, my darling, and nobody else will find it for you. Number 5, practical exposure. People who think that marks are really important, no. When you come to college, marks don't play a very big role. Rather, the practical exposure, the experience that you gain, and the skills and the knowledge, everything is very important, more than what you have learned just in theory or what you just put out in your exam papers. Number 6, enjoy every moment. Let it be positive or let it be negative. Make sure that you enjoy every moment possible. Even if you're in any kind of problem or any tough situation, make sure that you enjoy it, because when you start enjoying things, you really don't feel it like a burden. You start to feel free inside when you start enjoying things. Number 7, live in the present. I have seen people always worrying about their either past relationships and always feeling bad, drinking, smoking, all those stuffs, just because they are still living in their past with the happy moments they have spent in the past. And some people I have seen who just thinks about the future, like, I'll do that, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do this. Just by focusing either on the past or either on the future, they forget to live in the present. The present is what you have. Number 8, make sure that you have no regrets, because when you start regretting on things, oh shit, why did I do that? Oh shit, why did this happen? It should have been this way. I regret, I should have done better, I should have done this, I should have done that. And just by regretting on things, you forget the present things that you have. Instead of just regretting that I've lost this, I've lost that, I should have done like this, I should have done like that, I just realized that let me just let go the things that has happened. And why to just regret? Let's enjoy what I have, and let me just think of what I can do better instead of just focusing on what I have lost. So these are the things that I've learned in my first year of college, and I hope that you have a great future ahead, you get whatever you want to do, and I wish you all the luck. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video, bye.